God, God, goddamn. Wake up, close your eyes. Goddamn, spinning head decisions that made my bed. Now I must lay in it, deal with things left unsaid. Want to dive into you, forget what you're going through. Get high, make you move, forget about you. Two baso pa lang nainom today. Wow, pinagmalaki pa. Pinagmalaki pa na 2 lang ang basong nainom ngayong araw na ito. That is bad for your health. You need to be hydrated. Did you know that the percentage of water in the human body is 50 to 75%? Sipin mo yun, di ba? 50 to 75%. Tapos nakadalawang baso ka lang. So yung katawan mo maandar na lang sa hangin. Di ba? Nag-google kasi Tekinaloja. Tuloy natin. I still don't have a reason, and you don't have the time, and it really makes me wonder if I ever gave a fuck about you. Give me something to believe in. Okay, 2 galon na po na inom ko today. Oh, very good. Very good si Afel. Buti ba si Afel? Lamima, gayahin mo si Afel. 2 galon. Wait. 2 gallons is how many glasses? Alam ko 4 cups of glasses ang 1 gallon. So naka 8 glasses of water na siya. So what? Okay. 2 gallons is 32 cups. So, naka 32 cups na siya ng water. Bakit parang masyadong marami? 32 cups in liters. Kasi alam ko 8 liters sabi dati, di ba? Bata tayo. Ay, sakto lang. Okay. Good for you, Afel. So proud of you. Pass po pag may computation. Hindi, kailangan may computation sa buhay. Kailangan bilibilang natin yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi pag di mo binilang, di mo alam na 2 ka lang na baso ng tubig today. Diba? Bad yun. Patugtog tayo ng mga songs. I have this playlist sa YouTube na ginawa ko sa akin lang. I put songs there na gusto ko. Saan ba? Why is it missing? Ay, ito. Wait, wag yan. Ito gusto ko. Hey, go.
Act like you need reminding, trying to do it all, bring it back and rewind it. But all that glitters isn't what I was finding. Should never give you my heart on your shining, and I can't believe the lies that I went for. Like you was wrong, but you decided to be with him. No, you took my feelings and just threw them out the window. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again. No, oh, so much like this, shawty, I mean, never think of us. I've been reminiscing, simply missing you.
pick it up. On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You can say you're just a woman, cause cheat up. Disobeying my emotions just because. In all the times I made a fool for you, thinking we could put it back together. Though we are forever, you never see my point of view. Nation is so severed, you don't show no effort. Can't believe the nights that I waited for. That you was mine, but you decided to be with him, no. Took my feelings and just threw him out the window. Feel like you still wanna fall in love again, no. Hey, hey, I've been reminiscing, sipping, missing you. Can you tell me what's the thought? Is this in love? If I come, would you pick it up? Oh, some nights like this, not as hard as I can remember.
You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just don't play
Bakit?
with my emotions just because.
Sayaw. Ay, yung sayaw nga po, yung kasama si Chow.
Get my hopes high, girl.
You gon' get my hopes high,
Don't
girl.
tell me more lies.
Just gon' tell me more lies, girl. Ay. You gon' get my hopes high, girl. No, ba, ba, ba. Tuk, 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 tuk. Cattle bell. Wanna be
Yan, may pasok. May nag-request.
Yo,
Ayan guys,
salita sa'yo. Uy,
makita niyo po
boss.
guys. Who's that? Kuya Kay?
Bossy. Bossy, usa. Ito si Bossy.
Basta dinner.
Okay lang.
Ginagawa
Anong oras ka nakauwi?
Mga ano, mga 10, mga 10. Bilis, mga 10 p.m.
10?
Oo.
Alam mo, biyahe mo.
Kasi, anong oras ba? 8, tumalis yung bus eh.
8.
Nasa
Sorry na.
kaya kayo?
Natin si Rekti.
Rek, thank you Rek. Bye-bye Rek. Ay, nandiyan pala si Sir Gami. Sir Gami.
Nasa kotse kami.
Nice one Rek.
Talaga yung may sariling dilim eh.
Love trip.
Nakapagod mag-audition.
Nakapagod ba?
Nag-audition ako kanina.
Naks. Paano niyan? Sa tingin mo pre, natanggap ka?
Ha?
Sa tingin mo, natanggap
Kung sa
ka?
tingin ko lang naman, siguro.
Grabe yan. Love trip.
Sampo
Pag
naman
ganyan
yan,
ba, mag-notif din sa followers mo na naka-live?
Nag-notif.
Yung mga ibang pumasok no, sa yun.
Akala ko di mo na-acceptin yung request ko eh.
Napansin ko nga lang may +1 sa baba.
May +1.
Hindi, napilitan na si Milo.
Oo nga eh, grabe si Milo.
Uy, grabe mag-bash oh.
Grabe.
Si Mitch Vangelo.
Grabe ka, Mitch.
Grabe.
Sige na, mag-live ka na. Baka nakagulo kami sa'yo eh.
Hindi naman, nabawasan lang naman yung mga nanonood ko. Kanina 10 yan eh, naging 6 na lang.
6 na lang.
Ingat. Ingat kayo bro. GG. Rek, thank you, ingat. Ayan po guys. Sorry sa sa nang gulo. Wow. Nandyan pa po ba kayo lahat? Please raise your hand if you're still there.
So don't wanna be mine. Are you down to
Hey.
satisfaction, baby? Let me ask you, baby. Wanna be satisfaction, baby? Do you need yeah, you down to
Guys, binisita po tayo ng isang Alamat Chow. Alamat Chow, hello po. We are Alamat. Galing lang. Piano yon. Wow, wow. Ayun ba yun? Ang galing, di ba? Wow, 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 wow. Di mo araw-araw naririnig yun. Iba. Marami akong mga artist na pinapakinggan. Mas prefer ko yung mga ganito ni Kehlani, yung mga parang strip version sila. Like, grabe yung difference ng music video. Kasi parang pag music video, kailangan medyo hype or well, depending sa music. Pero pag iba pag kuwari ito Tiny Desk concert ni Kehlani to, kaya sobrang gusto ko eh. Milo, ako na lang tupiin mo ng mga 8 na beses. Di ba may number na it's not possible to fold a paper do sa number na yun? Sorry. Ano na naman tayo dito? Pati piano ginagaya mo. Ano kasi 16 times ba na i-fold yung paper? How many times can a paper be folded? 7 times. Oh, hindi pwede ng 8 times. Sabi ko hindi pwede. 8 times cannot be done. Yun na nga eh. Di ka pa papel. Tapos magpapaano ka ng 8 times, di ba? Tupiin na lang kita mga twice. Twice lang. Sige, experiment try mo. Favorite subject ko, math. Like, well, nung bata ako, English. Sobrang dali siya sa akin nung bata ako. Tapos medyo tumanda na. Mathematics. Pwede na mag-mathematician. Cannot be pala, Emilia. Sineryoso niya talaga sa klolo. Grabe ka. Kung math teacher na di ako papasok. Magaling ako magturo ng math. Konti. Goal dito ayoko ng math. Sige, wala nang usapang math. Usapang na lang. Philippine history. Philippine history, mahina ako. Like, sobrang nung bata ako, na-stress ako sa Philippine history. Like, okay, we need to, people need to learn, or the pag-asa ng bayan need to learn the history of the Philippines. Pero bakit kailangan natin pag-aralan yung mga babae ni Jose Rizal? Bakit? Pwede na si Josephine Brackett eh. Okay na dun. Pero bakit pati yung mga ex niya? Hirap formahan naman ito. I-google niya. Kung si Milo mga teacher ko, maha-high blood siya sa akin. Di yan. Patient, very patient ako. Sample po. Tipong pag nag-pick up line ka, hihimayin niya yung logistics. Okay, hihimayin. Then mo sa history, please lang. Alam mo ba kung ilan jowa ni Jose Rizal? Isa-search ko. Pero wag na, sige. Kasi pagtitripan nyo na naman ako. Lagi nyo na lang pinagtitripan. Hindi. Sinesearch ko lang naman para malaman ko eh. Wala. Just lang. Okay, tuloy na tayo sa sound. Way you talk, hey, it's the way you, hey, 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 it's the way you talk. Galing. Okay na ba siya? Pahinga muna tayo kay Kilani. Nahin yung ex na Rizal, di pa kasama mga nakatalking stage niya. Strawberry ice cream.
What's more like to and sweet and Jaggers? Laugh about a sorry down. We want to maybe
Honey, I drink. Singing honey, I drink. What you gonna tell? We did that too, she thinks she's special. It's only you, I was paid at first. I make a joke and tell her you. Do you think deja vu when she's with you? Do you think deja vu? Do you think deja vu?
Okay naman. Masaya, very, very happy. Sobrang saya. Masaya. It was a fulfilling experience. Ba't daw ako lilipat ng bias? Eh di, gisingin mo, Milya. Para di ka na mahirapan tumawa. Diba? Kasi kung gising na si nanay, hindi na mahirapan. Sana makanood na uli ako sa inyo, guys. It shows kasi masaya din kami. Pwede.
We kinda do sound the same. I hate to think that I was just you tight. I bet that
She knows
she talk.
you're singing together. Oh, I bet you even tell her that you love her. You even tell her that you love her.
What?
Waiting at you, she thinks she's special. It's only you, I was so. We talked about everything was wrong, saying since she's with you. Do you feel deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu? Do you get deja vu?
I think this song is appropriate.
Sa Spotify, not specifically, like wala akong song na ano. Pero, I do appreciate musical theater. Iba yung tadyak. Kunwari kahit lang yung The Prayer, theatrical singing na yan. Yung, ano ba lyrics ng The Prayer?
Bring me
Ito. La luce che tu dai, la luce che tu dai, nel cuore resterà, nel cuore resterà, a ricordarci d'archi che l'eterna stella sei. E la mia preghiera, quanta fede è, lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, give us faith so we'll be safe. Sogniamo un mondo. Sige nga, play mo ako. Let's try. Hindi ko pa na-try ikanta yun. The prayer. Na la luce de da. Dumi tayo the prayer. Ako si Pavarotti. Na mola malemmer. Wala akong kaduet. Paano yan? La luce che tu hai nel cuore resterà a ricordarti che l'eterna stella sei e la mia preghiera quanta fede che hirapan ako. Please. Sogniamo un mondo senza più violenza, un mondo di giustizia e di speranza. Oh, no, no, dia, ma no alza, vicino, simbolo di pace, di fraternità. La forza che ti dà e il desiderio c'è and watches from above. Ognuno trovi amor, so we'll find intorno e dentro sé. Let this be a prayer. Let this be a prayer. Just like every time. Na, 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 na. Needs a fire. Blah, 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 blah. E la fede che e la fede che hai acceso in noi. Pangit. Sento c'è chi salve. Fede che hai nacen moño. Doble cara. No, no. Wala na. Wala na. Wala na. Wala na akong boses. Over naman sa galing. Ay, hindi po. Hindi marunong. No.
That's how we come. I go by the name of Spade the Freak. That's why Michael Cox. That's where they go. Y'all know.
Money long.
Y'all know what this is.
Y'all know what this is.
The smell of your perfume.
Hey.
I thought I was immune. Looking around this room, can't see the traces of you. This moment is surreal. I can't put into words how I feel. Swear, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gon' love me quite like you. Can't even deny it. Every time I try it, but look at my eyes and know I'm lying, lying, body to body, skin to skin. I'm never gonna love like this again. You were made for me, and you were made for me. You were made for me. You were made for me.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye kasi ihing-ihi na ako. Alright. Thank you so much guys for listening for tonight's practice session. Hope to see you guys soon. This is Alamat Milo. Alamat! Handa! Rap! Well, pag pinapasok ka sa PBBC, no, kasi rin ka doon. Wala na. Alis na ako. Bye-bye.